Jersey City is widely recognized as a major American city, and it is the third largest city in the New York metropolitan area after New York City and Newark. It is often referred to as the sixth borough of New York City due to its proximity, density, and level of urban infrastructure that so closely resembles the city of New York. One of the most complete transportation and transit systems in the country is found in Jersey City, which makes it special. It is the location of the Port Authority PATH subway system, the Hudson-Bergen Light Rail system, public and private bus routes, and the Holland Tunnel to New York City. Jersey City's proximity to New York City has aided in its development as a commercial, industrial, and residential hub. Jersey City is home to New Jersey's tallest buildings, including the Goldman Sachs Tower, which stands 781 feet tall. With extensive shopping, entertainment, and high-rise residential development, the Newport Pavonia neighborhood is one of the most successfully planned communities in the country. Visitors must begin with a wide variety of cuisine alternatives in Jersey City in order to taste even a small portion of the multicultural influences. Bring your appetite and choose from Korean, Indian, Filipino, or Cuban. Since June 2015, Newark Avenue between Grove and Erie Streets has been a pedestrian mall and has been off-limits to vehicles. People can relax at one of the tables and enjoy their drink from one of the restaurants or bars that line the pathway or take a leisurely evening stroll there. Families frequently visit the area, particularly during the summer. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The historical sites in Jersey City are its most well-known characteristics. While the Statue of Liberty is entirely encircled by the city of Jersey City, Liberty Island National Park, which includes the Ellis Island Immigration Station, is located there. From boats leaving from the close-by Communipaw Terminal in Liberty State Park, both monuments are conveniently reachable. The renowned Liberty Science Center is located right across the street from the port. The historic former campus of Jersey City Medical Heart is located in the city's center, while the Hudson Tubbs Powerhouse is located downtown. Many immigrants who entered the country through nearby Ellis Island, which processed more than 12 million immigrant steamship passengers between 1892 and 1954, made their way first to Jersey City. The Central Railroad of New Jersey Terminal served as many immigrants' first encounter with American culture as they entered the country through Ellis Island's immigration station in the late 19th century. They had access to trains that would take them any place in New Jersey as well as to other states. Until its closure in 1967, it was one of the busiest stations in the region. The renovated terminal, which is now a part of Liberty State Park, serves as a historical landmark and a departure point for ferries to Ellis Island and the Statue of Liberty. There are a lot of things you can do, see and learn there, from the various neighborhoods and rich history to the multicultural cuisine and active nightlife.